Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Hollow Point Defense. This is just a small video to clarify some stuff on the one I did last night, the firing pin issue. I made a comment in it that when I get guns, I tear them apart, field stripping them basically. I'm going to have to bring the terminology down a little bit for some. But I field strip it, I clean it out, I re-oil it, I get it ready, I look at the parts, make sure it's there. If you go to the response manual, page 47, it states in there under cleaning and maintenance to do exactly that. And on the FPC manual, this one's, on page 45, it tells you the exact same thing. And I'm going to read it to you exactly what it says. This is from the response, but it's the same terminology for both of them. It's even in their handgun ones. Before using your firearm for the first time, it should be cleaned. Your firearm was treated at the factory with either a preservative or oil to protect it against corrosion from shipping and storage. Preservation oil should be wiped out from the bore, chamber, and exposed areas using a clean swabber patch before. The key word is before using the firearm. One thing I have found out in 22 years of doing classes is, where is it? Right here. This little bit of oil right here will stop probably 70% of your problems. The other 30% can be manufacturer defects, broken parts, or just missing parts. That's why I take these apart. As an armor, like I stated in the last video, I go a little bit farther just because I have an idea and know what I'm doing to a degree. But if I was not an armor, I'd field strip these, clean them out, and then re-oil them properly, like the manual says. So are you wrong for not doing that? I'm going to say no. That's your decision. You make that decision, you live with it. But I take mine apart, and I'll be honest with you, with this FPC, I have not had a single issue with it whatsoever. Don't know the reasons. It could be because I keep it oiled. It could be because it just happened to be a good one. I see a lot of issues with these with missing parts. That happens. They're assembly line built, so it happens. But please do take your guns apart, field stripping them, like the manual shows you, and clean it out and oil it. It will solve, I'll go down a little bit, 50% of your problems at the range will be solved by doing that and being generous with the oil. If you have any questions, let me know. Take care and have a good one. You guys be safe. Go shoot this weekend.